What's up, fun lovers? Here is the INKEE Falcon 3-axis gimbal for action cameras. Specifically, I'm using this gimbal for the GoPro Hero 9. I actually already opened it and I realized that I forgot to record, so I put it back in the box, but this is how it comes. It does also come wrapped up in like a, like a plastic wrapper, just so you know what's up. So it does come with a little box on the outside. This is like a little extension for the hand grip. On the inside, these little pieces came inside a little plastic bag, but I already took it out, so my bad, but you can still see what comes in the box. So here is, I think this is a tripod? Yeah, something. Comes with the actual gimbal. Little joystick kind of thing, charging port. I actually don't know how to use this yet, but here's a gimbal. Twisty. Yeah, I'll figure out how to use this later. And on the inside, instructions. Pretty straightforward. Charging cord. The little GoPro screw. And then little another screw thing. Oh, so I did notice that you need the smaller one to tighten this right here. This will help to basically balance side to side. I think when you loosen this, it'll come out. Actually, I'll just show you right now. Alright, so it's loosened, and you can see that I can slide it around. So when you put the GoPro through here, attach the GoPro here, like that, then you can balance the side to side this way, so you can get it perfectly level. Just gonna tighten it for now. And same goes to here. You can kind of change the depth of the camera by shifting this around. You kind of get the point. Loosen it, shift it up and down. And the big one is for, what is this for? You know what, sorry, I actually have no idea what this is for. Well, I'll let you know when I figure it out. But yeah, these are the insides of the box for the INKEE Falcon 3-axis gimbal for action cameras. Specifically, I'm using my GoPro right now to film, but I'm using this for GoPro Hero 9, and I already tried it on. It works. So yeah, no complaints here.